My name's Simon Whittam and I'm the Project Director of Readstone Construction Limited. We're based in East Lancashire, Altham Industrial Estate. We're extremely proud to be working on this exciting refurbishment project here at the Pendle Hippodrome Theatre in Derby Arms in Colne. The project is funded as part of the Levelling Up project. This contract has secured full-time work for many people in the local area and we're delighted to be delivering this project both on time and on budget. We've been working on everything from the alterations to the ground and first floor of the former historic Derby Arms public house, including the installation of 3 passenger lifts and the redevelopment of the existing theatre's foyer, box office and toilet areas. Yeah, so one of the conditions for doing this, that the main contractor used local subcontractors. Luckily a lot of our subcontractors are local to Colne, Nelson and Burnley, so I'd say 90% of the subcontractor base on here has been local to this as well, so that's, you know, the client and Pendle Council, Ray's partnership are happy with that as well, that everyone's been local who's worked on it and done some manufacturing. We've had 2 apprentice bricklayers work their way through here. We've had an apprentice assistant site manager work on here and get his experience, and we've now got an apprentice joiner. We're really proud to be bringing a building like this back to life in Colne.